Hello everyone, Storm 11 here. Today we'll be taking a look at the flash flooding that will be going on for parts of the Tennessee Valley, in the Ohio Valley, and parts of the Mississippi Valleys area. We'll also be taking a look at the severe weather that will be going all the way into day 6. And we're going to get started with the severe weather things because this can be a little bit concerning. This also does go for a lot of people from the Storm Prediction Center. So, like I said, it's all out in day 6. And, yeah. This is actually going to be for the last system here. So there you go, day 6 here. So, day 6 goes for portions of southern Illinois and Indiana, western parts of Kentucky, southeastern parts of Missouri, the whole state of Arkansas, parts of Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Tennessee. Those are the states that could see the potential for damaging winds, supercells could try to develop, and tornadoes. Now, this is 6 days out. So, first of all, it's very far out. Second of all, this is rare for the Storm Prediction to issue a slight risk this far out. So, we're going to see if they issue an enhanced risk. I'm pretty sure it's coming for the Euro because wherever I checked Twitter this morning, Retimber showed this computer model. I think it's the capability CAPE or energy, and it showed a lot of energy going along around the Missouri, Illinois, and Kentucky area, just around in those states there, that corners. They're showing most of this energy. So basically what it's looking to be like is some supercells to develop in the front, along the cold front, but in front of that line is actually a couple of supercells. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. So 50%, this is a slight risk here. And the 30%, that's going to be the enhanced risk. So I'm interested to see what's going to happen later in the future. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of these models here. So let's go ahead and start what's going to be going on tomorrow night. So the storm intensifies. This is going to be the first system here. It's going to bring snow for a lot of states, especially for parts of the plains in the Midwest and parts of the East. Now, for some people around the Ohio Valley region, it could start to snow. There could be some accumulations with it, but eventually, it will change over to rain. Could it be a winter storm? That is a possibility there, but the rain will start to take over the area, so that will cause for the ice and snow to melt. There's already winter storm watches and warnings for those areas, so I don't think it's not going to be nothing too major. Probably the only thing we have to watch for is that ice potential there. And so there goes past that system. Looks like we've got week 1 there. Now here comes this system here. This storm system here is going to come out of the Rockies. It's going to intensify very quickly. This is the FE3 GFS, by the way. Very heavy snow for parts of the plains there. See here, it really does intensify. As you can see, those isobars, there's even purples in there that indicates very heavy snow. While we got going on here, showing a squall line of strong to severe thunderstorms stretching from the Ohio, Indiana, stretching back down into Mississippi there, where it shows heavy rain and it dies out. It dies out whenever it pushes eastward, and that's pretty much it from there. How much rain does this weather show here? Wait a minute, this is the wrong one. Hold on. So this goes out to Monday here. See, most of the rain from the FE3 was to be out in parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, and Mississippi, where they could see up to 8 inches of rain. That's a lot of rain, folks. That is a lot of rain. Now, let's go ahead and take a look here at the Euro. Here, we'll be taking a look at rain accumulation here for the next 5 days, I think. Yeah, it's the next 5 days for sure. So for the next 5 days here, see, rainfall totals has dropped for a lot of people. It's not that widespread, it's just lines of heavy rain here. So maybe for 6 inches for a few people. So right now the highest rainfall total could be up to 7 inches from the Euro. Now let's look at the snow side of things here. It seems like where that system there rapidly intensifies, you can see up to 7 inches of snow there. And there's a little bit of snow over in Maryland. Not going to be a major deal for a few people there. Now let's go ahead and go to the thunderstorms here. Now, this is my indication here. If it reaches up to like dark red in the pinks here, you can see for this bar here, that kind of tells me that's probably strong to severe thunderstorm category. So if it were to start at 7 a.m. on Saturday, so we got our first round there. Not going to be a big deal. I think there could be a couple strong thunderstorms going along there. But here we go. Here comes the squall line really developing here. We even got pinks and purples there. So 2.75, which is not really high by any means. Let's go to 4 p.m., which is the prime time for severe weather. You tell here, you can pretty much tell it's kind of like a squall line here. These little dots here could be supercells there. It's not really well defined of a squall line. You can see here, seems to be like this. Got a little bit boa going on in Arkansas here. 7 p.m. this starts to push eastward. Parts of Kentucky can get into severe weather threat. Then 1 a.m. severe weather starts to diminish. Let's go ahead and go to the rain and thunder here and back this up to 9 p.m. See here some thunderstorms going for Kentucky. Let's move on to 4 p.m. There's your squall line developing. Looks to be a couple of supercells may try to develop. See those little dots near of yellow. Out on the front of the line, there's some 9 p.m. See those thunderstorms really kicks in there, pushes eastward, and then it starts to die down as it reaches to Virginia and moves out pretty quickly. So this is all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, put it down in the comments down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.